Weebles or Bubbles?
Mick, were you...
Bubble? Weeble?
Were you playing with your Weebles?
Weeble? Wobble?
Bubble?
Bubble or Weeble?
Are you eating your apple?
Weebles, wobbles, bubble.
Good girl, apple. What's your favorite word, Mickey? Bubbles?
Bubbles. Can you say mommy? Say mommy.
Mommy?
Mama.
Good girl.
Say daddy.
Say daddy? Daddy?
Daddy.
Say daddy?
Right.
Good
daddy.
girl.
Right there.
You say papa? Papa?
Papa.
Right.
Good, papa. Can you say Mimi? Mimi? You said it yesterday. Could you say Mimi? Not sure.
How about Grammy? How about the sound a duck makes?
What's a duck say? Quack.
How about a dog?
It's a doggy. What does an owl say? Good girl. Good girl.
Post that on Facebook.
You're so cute. That's a good apple, isn't it? You're a big girl. What's your favorite word? Bubble? Bubble? Okay, say bye-bye to the camera.